Hey fam, welcome back to your channel. I'm so excited. So today's video is going to be brought to you by Isee Hair, a company that I have worked with in the past, I believe last year a couple times. This hair is just straight to the point, okay? This is Malaysian 22-inch straight hair. This hair is straight out of the pack. No, nothing except for cutting the lace off. Here's what the hairline looks like on it. On my head, I'll show you what it looks like when I received it actually. So this is the hairline on this hair. Right here. And right here, I just put a part in here and some gel. So that's why it looks like that. And I have nothing under it but a stocking cap. I have not tweezed the part on this hair or anything. This is straight, again, out the freaking pack. And it's this sleek. Let me show you. When you brush it, and it's 22 inches, actually. If I had to guess, I would say that this hair is probably about between 150 and 180 density. So for those of you that are like, what is, density? It's pretty much how thick the hair is when you receive it. Like how thick it is. So the higher the number, the thicker the hair. So with straight hair, which is what I chose right here, I actually like it to be kind of thin, but not too thin. Because I don't want, it's hard to get sleek, straight hair if it's super thick. But again, this is straight out the pack though. So it's bone straight. And then again, I was going to curl this hair, but I'm like, you know what? I'm going on a date and I ain't got time. So it's just going to be easier for me to rock this hair straight like this. And that's where it falls. So that's what the ends look like. If you can, very natural. Like, relaxed hair or whatever. So this is what it looks like. Super flat, which is another thing that I love. And I'm going to show you the construction on this cap, what it looked like when I received the hair. So let me show you that. Okay, so this is the box that the hair came in when I received it. This brochure was on the inside telling you about the hair care of your unit. This dark colored nude stocking cap came in as well, wig cap rather. And here is what the hair looks like in the plastic. Again, this is 22-inch Malaysian straight. Here's what it looks like straight out of the pack. This hair is fairly straight. Here's what the inside of the unit looks like. You get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and a comb on like the temple area. And one in the top as well, as you can see. And I always cut the combs out of mine. That's just my own preference. But here's the hairline, and it does look like it has been pre-plucked. So I won't know. Okay, so again, 22 inches, Isee hair, Malaysian straight hair. And it's just that color. And that's how it looks up close. And again, this is the hairline. I didn't have to pluck it. Not that I'm so excited. I just go. Just go, honey. She can just go. That is the hairline on her. Yep. That is it, you guys. This is the quickest hair review in the freaking world because this hair is really just straight to the point. I was going to curl her, but like I said, I'm about to go on a date, and I kind of like it really sleek like this. Let me just bump one corner on the front just to show you kind of, what it looks like, curled or like some beach waves or something. A lot of people like to know if straight hair this straight will hold a bump or a curl. So let me show you that. Hope you guys are doing well. Oh my. That is the curl. So now I got a freaking curl, so I might end up having a bump. Oh my God. It actually held it tighter than I wanted. Okay, let me just, oh brother. Well, we're here now, so let me just go ahead and finish bumping it. I don't want it to be, you know, super. And this is what she looks like bumped on the biggest barrel right here. So she would definitely hold a tighter curl if you wanted to. So that is what she looks like, curled, or bumped rather, like that. Would I recommend Isee hair? I absolutely would. Especially for those of you who like or want to get into wearing wigs, but you don't quite know how to actually make one from scratch. Perfecto. Perfecto. This just looks like some relaxed hair. So that is all I have on this hair, you guys. Okay, that's all I have. Hugs and kisses. Love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you for all your support, for tuning into this video. If you want or you're curious about the company, I will leave all the information to the company, the hair, everything down below. So be sure to check down there. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Okay, bye y'all.